Hi, my name is Mohammed and this video is about design patterns. The purpose of this video is to see what are design patterns and why really we need to use them. I prefer to talk about PHP, so at the moment which I'm recording this video, all examples in this channel are with PHP. But if you're using a different programming language, just like Java, Python, C# or anything else, don't worry, design patterns are not dependent on your programming language. And I'm gonna talk more about the concept and reasons in this video. If you didn't hear about design patterns or you're not sure about them, this video will be good for you. So what are design patterns? As Wikipedia said, in software engineering, a software design pattern is a general reusable solution to a commonly occurring problem within a given context in software design. Design patterns represent the best practices used by experienced developers, so often known as the best solutions to problems that a developer could face during software development. A design pattern is not a piece of code, it's a solution. Actually, Design Patterns is a book written by some good guys called Gang of Four and published in 1994. There are a lot of useful books around: Clean Code, Head-First Design Patterns, Clean Architectures, and many others. This book is one of the most important books for software engineering. Patterns are often confused with algorithms because concepts look similar. The difference is, an algorithm is more like a recipe. It's a specific set of steps to perform something, but a pattern helps to structure the code. It's a more general description of a solution. So from the perspective of a new one, it could be just a template to follow. For example, we learned before how to use the Iterator pattern to have an Iterator object. If you didn't watch that video, I'll put the link above, then you can save it and watch it later. In that example, to have an iterator object with PHP, we just implemented our class via the iterator interface. It's almost the same for Java via an interface with a similar name, or for C# we could use IEnumerable. So in short words, a design pattern is more like a template as a solution to follow. Alright, then what about benefits? Why we should learn design patterns? Design patterns helps to solve problems by providing concrete and well-tested solutions. With learning design patterns, a developer no longer needs to practice coding for years just to be able to solve common problems. Provides more legible and maintainable code by following well-understood paths. Especially in a team, everyone has their own coding pattern and coding style, and after overtime coding, nothing makes sense anymore. Design patterns encourage code reuse and accommodate change by supplying well-tested mechanism. You write code faster by providing a clear picture of a code implementation. It's much expected in senior level. For beginner level, it might be hard. No one expects a beginner to be skilled in this. However, it's still beneficial, especially if you like to go on the programming life. Patterns generally will help to make the job easier, but it's important to learn them, not just memorize them. This book contains 23 patterns categorized into 3 types: creational patterns, which are about class initiations or object creation; structural patterns, which are about organizing objects to provide larger structures or new functionalities; and behavioral patterns, which are usually about how one class communicates with others. For that example, for the iterator pattern, which is a behavioral pattern, we need to be able to traverse elements of different structures sequentially. But how to do that? No matter if your data structure complex like a tree or it's simple like an array, with the iterator pattern as a solution, we can go through elements in the object within a for each. I'm going to introduce some popular design patterns in the next videos. There are not much differences between programming languages for popular design patterns. So feel free to drop a comment below and tell me what you think about it. If you're interested in this video, just press the like button. It will encourage me to make more videos like this. Also, if you like to get my next videos, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.